Dear student, in the previous lecture we derived the expression for potential difference and we obtained Vb minus Va equal to WAB by Q naught. From this equation we can define the potential difference. Thus, potential difference between 2 points in an electrostatic field is the amount of work done in carrying unit positive test charge from one point to other point along any path between the 2 points against the electrostatic force of the field. Now we find the unit of the potential difference, then using equation potential difference equal to work done by charge, then unit of work is joule and unit of charge is coulomb in SI, then its unit is joule per coulomb, and also we know that joule is equal to Newton meter, so we can write joule per coulomb equal to Newton meter per coulomb, which is also called volt, and its dimension formula is m L to the power 2 t to the power minus 3 I to the power minus 1. Now we define the SI unit volt when we say the potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt. Thus, potential difference between any 2 points in an electrostatic field is said to be 1 volt when 1 joule of work is done in moving a positive charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other against electrostatic force of the field. Now the CGS unit of potential difference is stat volt. Therefore, 1 stat volt is equal to 1 arc by 1 stat coulomb. Here arc is the CGS unit of work and stat coulomb is the CGS unit of charge. That is 1 stat volt is equal to arc stat per stat coulomb, arc per stat coulomb. Now we define the stat volt when we say the potential difference between the 2 points is 1 stat volt. Since if one erg of work has to be done to move one ESU or one stat coulomb from one point to other point, then the potential at the given point is 1 stat volt. Now we see what is the relation between the SI unit and CGS unit of potential difference, or what is the relation between the volt and stat volt. Since we know that 1 volt equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb in SI unit, and we know that 1 joule equal to 10 to the power minus 7 erg, and 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 ESU. Therefore, 1 volt equal to 1 by 300 stat volt. Always remember, joule is the SI unit of work and erg is the CGS unit of work, and the relation between the joule and erg is 1 joule equal to 10 to the power minus 7 erg. Similarly, 1 coulomb is the SI unit of charge, and ESU or stat coulomb is the CGS unit of charge, and the relation between them is 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 ESU of charge or stat coulomb. Now we see the relation between the volt and abstract volt. Since we know that 1 volt equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. 1 joule equal to 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 7 erg, and 1 coulomb equal to 1 by 10 abstract coulomb. So putting this value, we obtained 1 volt equal to 10 to the power 7 erg by 1 by 10 abstract coulomb. Simplifying it, we got 10 to the power 8 abstract volt. Therefore, 1 volt equal to 10 to the power 8 abstract volt. It's all about the unit of potential difference and relation among them. It's all for today.